彼は嬉しい. He's happy feels completely right. And to a Japanese speaker, it's broken. This is the mistake almost every learner makes with feelings, and the fix isn't vocabulary at all. So how do you actually say how someone else feels? Here's the rule. A bare emotion adjective in Japanese always points at one person, you. 私は嬉しい. I'm happy. So 彼は嬉しい isn't describing him at all. It's you claiming to feel what's inside his head, and a native speaker won't say it because you don't get to read another person's heart, which is exactly why the language built a repair. Watch the pattern. A plain statement aims the feeling at the speaker. 私はとても寂しい. I'm really lonely. Turn it into a question and it swings to the listener. 嬉しいですか? Means are you glad, never me. But a third person? Off limits. The grammar draws a hard line between the one heart you know from the inside and every other heart you can only guess at. And one word you were taught as an adjective is about to break this rule completely. The repair is one suffix, garu. Drop the final e and add it. 嬉しい turns into 嬉しがる. And in real speech, 嬉しがっている. Now it's a verb, and it means something honest. He's showing glad signs, acting glad, where you can see it. 彼は蛇を怖がっている. He's scared of snakes. Reports what's on his face, not what you're pretending to know. Did you catch what just changed? Quick test. You know 水が欲しい, I want water. Now make it about someone else using garu. Say it out loud before I do. 水を欲しがる. The ga flipped to o. 犬が怖い becomes 犬を怖がる. That particle flip is your proof the adjective just became a verb. Now the traps, because two words refuse to play along. Take tanoshii, fun. It looks perfect for garu, but tanoshigaru simply doesn't exist. To say someone else is having fun, you swap the whole verb. 妹は勉強を楽しんでいる. My sister's enjoying her studies. Learn garu, and this is the exception that'll trip you. And here's that word I promised. Okoru, to get angry. Everyone treats it like an adjective and says 彼はokoi, which isn't a word at all. Okoru was never an adjective, it's a verb, so the correct form is 彼は怒っている. He's angry. And because it's a verb, not a feeling adjective, you can aim it straight at him. No repair needed. The rule only ever trapped the adjectives. Garu isn't your only tool, and the differences matter. Someone's grinning right in front of you. Do you reach for sou or garu? Trust your gut. It's 嬉しそう. Sou is a snapshot of this exact moment. 嬉しがっている is a pattern you've watched build over time, and 嬉しげ, more literary, paints that same look with a softer brush. One feeling, 3 different distances from it. But what if you actually know how they feel? They told you themselves. Then stop inferring and quote them. 嬉しいと言っている. She says she's glad. Or on hearsay, 寂しいらしい. I hear he's lonely. Japanese hands you a clean ladder. Quote it if you were told, infer it if you only saw it, and never fake the view from inside. And in everyday conversation, natives often skip these textbook adjectives entirely. 胸がドキドキする. My heart's pounding. ワクワクする. I'm buzzing. イライラする. I'm annoyed. These sound words carry more feeling than 嬉しい ever could. And here's the catch. They obey the very same rule. Your own heart, first person, direct. So step back, and the whole messy list snaps into one idea. Adjective, verb, or sound word, every emotion word in Japanese obeys a single line. You speak your own heart directly, and you report everyone else's from the outside. That sentence you started with, 彼は嬉しい, was never bad vocabulary. You were speaking his heart as if it were your own, the one thing this language will not let you do. Keep this somewhere you can find it. For yourself, the bare adjective, 私は嬉しい. For anyone else, stem plus garu, 嬉しがっている, with ga flipping to o, or 嬉しそう, or simply quote them. Screenshot that and you'll never strand another feeling on the wrong person. And send it to the study partner who still says, 彼は嬉しい. They need it more than you did. Thanks for watching. This one's brought to you by Amenokori, the #1 app for learning Japanese in context. It's free on the Apple App Store and Google Play.